Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw metal knuckles from Sonic, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. First we're going to get started by splitting our paper directly in half. In the center, let's draw in a sideways oval for the nose. Let's come up, leaving a gap here. We're going to come in towards the middle, and we're going to curve this line up and over to the left. We'll come back into the center now, stepping back on that line, and we're basically just going to replicate this, curving this across in the opposite direction. Let's come over, stepping in slightly from this line. We're going to curve this line over and in. Now let's continue to close off the rest of the face. So coming down, we're going to kind of frame in the eyes here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line down, up, and in towards the middle, just above the nose and leaving a gap from that top line. We'll do the exact same thing. So starting back on this line, ducking this down, pulling this back up and over on the side. Now let's come up, let's draw in the eyes. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, drawing in a nice big oval, connecting this to that top line, pulling this around and through on the inside. We'll flip across, replicating that on the right-hand side. Let's move in towards the middle for that pupil. Again, drawing in another oval. Let's come in on the top now. We're going to add in our highlight. So just another small oval moving in towards the top. And then we're just going to color in our pupil black. Now let's move down. Let's close off the rest of the snout here. So we're just going to curve this line around, tucking that back up on the right. On both sides, we're going to curve a small line that comes down towards the bottom line there. And then stepping out again, let's just replicate that one more time. Let's step out. We're going to curve this line across. Starting back on that line, let's round that out, pulling that in towards the top. We'll try and end that as best as we can at the same height. Let's step in. We're going to curve this line over. Let's move out again, stepping up slightly from this bottom line, curving that across. And then now from here, we're going to round this out further. So we're going to close off the top of the head, curving this around, pulling that in to the middle. And then starting on that middle line again, just continuing to curve this around and down towards the side. Let's step up. Again, we're going to curve another line that comes in, making this higher than the one on the bottom. Let's come down again in the back. We're going to draw in a straight line coming down. Let's curve this across, closing that off. Let's come in towards the middle for the body. So we're going to create like a nice big oval here, connecting that from the chin. So we're going to curve this around and in towards the center. And then from that middle line, we're going to blend this back in, pulling that around and through on the right. Let's come in towards the middle. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right. Let's close this off by drawing in an even bigger arch line to finish that centerpiece off. Let's finish off the arms. For the shoulders, we're going to round this out on the very top there. And then we're going to pull a slight curved diagonal line in towards that body. Let's come down for the arms. We're going to draw in two diagonal lines, ending those at the exact same height as each other. We'll move up, adding in a small detailed line, bringing that across in the middle. Now let's move up. So coming down from below this line, we're going to bring this line up. We're going to curve this over towards the side. We're going to do the exact same thing on the left. Now from here on the top, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the same on the opposite side. Let's step down. Let's replicate that, ending that at the same width there. And now let's just close that off with a diagonal line. Let's do the same coming through on the top. So again, pulling this diagonal line across. And then we're just going to bring this diagonal line down and through towards that corner. Let's move up closer towards the top of the hand, drawing in a nice big oval. Now let's draw in the claws. So we're gonna kind of separate this in the center. So on the top here, we're gonna curve this down in the middle. We'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Let's close this off on the bottom, curving this in towards the hand. Let's step over, connecting this from this line, curving this back across. And then again from that point, arching this around and through towards the top corner of our hand. We're going to add in a little 3D effect now in the finger. So we're just going to curve that up from that point. Let's come down, drawing a diagonal line across. Let's do the same as we pull through underneath. Come down in the middle, separating both of these. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We will now, from that line, draw a diagonal line coming up. Let's close off the leg. We're going to step in on this line, pulling that through towards the torso. Let's come down on the back from that corner. We're going to curve this all the way down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. Now on the bottom for the foot, we're just going to curve this line out. Let's step up. We're gonna leave a gap here, curving this around and through, line this up at the same height, replicating that on the left. Let's close this off. So from the top, rounding that out. Do the same on the bottom. Round this out even further, pulling that in towards that corner. Let's add in the details. Stepping up, curving this across, moving through, stepping in, slightly over further towards the right, bringing this diagonal line up towards the top. Let's come down. We're going to draw on the strap on the shoe. So we're just going to curve this down from that corner on the top. Let's step up. Let's replicate that one more time underneath. Inside of this, we're just going to draw in a circle. Now let's move up. We're going to close off the sole of the shoe, bringing this line all the way around and over on the side. Pulling that across. Let's step in. Coming up, we're going to bring this diagonal line out, the top detail of the shoe. And then we're just going to pull this across, curving that slightly to round out the top of the shoe. And that is it. That's how you draw metal knuckles from Sonic. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.